So Mosquito Road Bridge, uh, it used to be a timber suspension bridge, right?
It still is.
So, okay, but you're replacing that.
Yes.
Yeah. So, I mean, walk me through this project, man, because I mean, it's incredible. I mean, the span, what do you do? I mean, the arch, everything.
Yeah, it was known as a swinging bridge in the late 1800s, and Model Ts and horses and buggies would go across it. And then around the 1930s is when it got replaced with some trusses along the side to stiffen it up, and the motor vehicles were increasing the usage of it too. So it's outlived its life, but we still use it today, and it's one of our most expensive bridges to maintain. That was something I caught on to as soon as I came to work for the county 26 years ago. And the bridge superintendent took me out there and couldn't wait to see the look on my face when I saw this hanging, swinging bridge of steel cables and steel rods with wooden deck and trusses on the side of it. Very unique, something like you'd see out of a park or some Indiana Jones movie, maybe even.
Oh my God.
But this project started before I got there in 98. It was in around 93, they did a study with HBP funding, Highway Bridge Program. Back then there was a significant match. I don't remember in those days if it was 20% or 12%. I think it was 20%.
Yeah.
And the solutions they found to get across this canyon, the best cost-efficient solutions, weren't fundable by the program at that time. It had caps, and the matches just weren't even feasible for that community or the county.
Sure.
So they put it down, and then I came on to the county. I had some good guidance from some directors I've worked with over the years. Richard Shepard, who knew the bridge program and the funding programs really well, was one of the directors.
Yeah.
But I'd already started to dive in it and learn from other friends about how to set up a bridge program. I came from bridge design, and I knew that wouldn't be a reachable goal unless there was some way to get it matched. But someday we would come up with a way. And then in 2010, and I was prepared. That was the other tips they gave me. My my past bosses and mentors was to be prepared. And when the 2010 100% funding came out, I was ready. And we went after it, and we got 100% grant approved. And I was just kind of jesting about it yesterday because I pulled up the old letter in 2010 that I sent in, and I asked for, it was like $2 million, I think, to start the study, to reopen the study that they had started before. And that the bridge is going to cost, I don't know which alternative it would be, but it'd be between $3 million and $28 million and I said in 2010 dollars, because by then I knew it's going to take a while to get a project like this done across a canyon in a very rural,
Right.
environmentally sensitive area. And so we got going on it. After that, it took a little while. We were really busy. Finally got a consultant on board, Quincy Engineering, Consor, and it was around a couple of years later, I had it in the CIP.
You know, I
Listed.
remember this because I think I was supposed to be on the Quincy team. You talk about it so long ago, like 2010. I was a private sector consultant trying to, like, get on that Quincy
It was
team.
maybe around 2012 when we
Yeah.
were doing the RFP and everything,
Yeah.
because it took me a little while to get it programmed into the capital improvement program. And yeah, and then we just went like gangbusters. And some of the things I've learned over the years was to be persistent
Mhm.
too,
Sure.
to make these things happen. Sometimes we have visions and goals, and not everybody's going to believe in it. Who's going to believe that we're going to build a canyon crosser in the rural area north of Placerville, in El Dorado County?